Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. Well, you know what, summer is pretty much a wrap. Fall is here and you know what that means. Holidays are around the corner. So I'm going to give you guys an early holiday side dish that you can make for upcoming holiday dinners or pretty much any day of the week. And it's a creamy mushroom spinach orzo dish. It's so delicious. So if you want to see how I make it, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much to all of my new subscribers. And don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you'll be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So this is a really easy side dish that you can make this upcoming holiday season or any day of the week. So first I'm going to warm up 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to chop up some mushrooms. So all I'm going to do is just empty out maybe a half of this container because really all I need is 2 cups of mushrooms. But if you want to use the entire container, that's completely up to you. And I'm just going to take my knife and just give it a quick rough chop. So I'm done chopping up all of my mushrooms and now I'm ready to head back over to the stove and I'm just going to add them into the warm oil. And now just take a spoon and just continue to saute your mushrooms for around 5 minutes or until they're tender. So while my mushrooms are cooking, I'm going to chop up half an onion. My onions are chopped and they're ready to go, and now I'm ready to add them to the sauteed mushrooms. Now off camera I've already chopped 3 garlic cloves. I'm going to add that to the pan as well, and I'm going to season it with some sea salt and some black pepper. And for a little bit of a spicy kick, I'm going to add some crushed red pepper. Now you can add as much as you like. I put like around maybe 1/8 of a teaspoon or just a little bit more, but it really depends on how spicy you love your food. So this is the orzo, the star of the show, and you can find it in most pasta sections at any grocery store. And all I'm going to need is a cup, so I'm going to go ahead and measure out a cup of orzo. And if you've never had orzo, let me give you a close-up because far away it looks like rice, but no, it's pasta, and I love orzo and it's so delicious. So I'm just going to go over and add this cup of orzo to my already sauteed onions, mushrooms, and garlic and just give it a big stir. And let me tell you something, it smells delicious already. Okay, so now I'm ready to add 2 cups of chicken broth along with 1 cup of heavy cream. And take that same spoon and just mix and combine everything together. Now just put the lid on the pot and just allow it to simmer over medium heat. Now you want to continue to stir the orzo just so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. So let the orzo simmer for 10 minutes and it's going to be soaking in all of the delicious chicken broth, heavy cream, onions, mushrooms, and garlic. So near the end I'm going to add 2 generous handfuls of spinach and just take a spoon and mix it in with the orzo until it wilts down completely. And to give it a delicious cheesy flavor, I'm going to add a half a cup of Parmesan cheese and just go ahead and continue to mix that in. And after a quick taste test, I needed to add just a little bit more sea salt and black pepper. And that's it, you guys. Look how creamy and delicious this orzo looks. So simple, and you probably have most of these ingredients in your kitchen, so you definitely have to give this recipe a try, not only during the holidays, but for any day of the week. And of course, make sure to enjoy it while it's nice and hot. But that's it, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody you know. Follow me, tag me on Instagram, take a picture. I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Now wait, you guys, before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button down at the bottom. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.